What's up, YouTube? This is a vertical video. It is what it is. Your boy's got to get some content out. I got a lot of content coming down the pipeline, guys, especially on my other channel. So if you're not following Make Money with Wes, if you're interested in making money in 2022, I have a different channel. As you can see, I got my camera here. I finally got, what do you even call this? A video capture card? I don't even know what you call it. I have no clue. Either way it goes, I bought that. I bought this cord in case you guys are in the process of trying to do some recording yourself at home. As you can see my setup, I had a mini camera cord that goes straight into USB into my actual PC. But now I have a cord that goes from the camera straight into HDMI. Also go straight into this bad boy, in which I'll be able to record high quality videos. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what this is about. I'm gonna try to do this in one take. I got one hand here, so give me a second. Only because I don't care about editing. Hey, if you guys are, there we go. If you guys are thinking about getting started in YouTube in 2022 and you're thinking, oh man, Wesley, I don't know how to edit, or Wesley, I don't know how to, record videos. I don't have an expensive camera. I don't have this. I don't have that. It's like, you're going about it the wrong way, my friend. And I'll tell you why. I've built a YouTube videos on this channel and my other channel that have generated me thousands of dollars per month. And I would tell you this, I'll be totally honest with you, 90% of my videos have been recorded on a cell phone, just like I'm doing now. This is a review of the Elgato HD60S Plus. Now, it's not really a review. Sorry, it's more of an unpacking because I have to plug this stuff up and figure out how I'm going to use this. But here you go. Here's what comes in the box. Looks like we got an HDMI to HDMI cord. Looks like we got that looks like an iPhone cord. I don't know. It looks like a phone HDMI. I don't know. I'm going to figure this stuff out. But here's the main thing. Here's the piece of the puzzle that you might be looking for in your process. Is that I'm going to plug everything through here. Oh, maybe the USB goes. So the USB goes to my computer and the HDMI goes in here. So I'm going to plug everything through here. Oh, and that was power, I think. So now I'll have crisp video, and I should still have my audio, and my videos are going to be a lot better going forward when using my camera for my video recording. Now, this is not so much for this channel. This is more so much for my other channel. But there you go. Wanted to create some content today. You guys have a great 2023. Stay tuned. I'll try to do a more in-depth review of this once I get everything hooked up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.